did we get to this point in our Shelby's life, you might ask? Let's recap and show you where we went wrong. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2008 Shelby GT500. This is my dad's car. He bought it brand new. Duval Ford, Clayton, Georgia. It's been one he enjoyed a lot. Last little bit of his driving, he took it on the tail of the dragon and got to enjoy it. A lot of cool stories with the car and him. He of course passed away in 2019, and then my mom last year, making this one my car. It's pretty much bone stock except for a K&N, and out back are some 3-inch Pisanis. My dad didn't want to drive the car much. It's still, the purpose of today's video, it's still sitting on its brand new, well not brand new, but the tires it came brand new with. Goodyear supercars. They're 13 years old now, and they suck to start with, and they suck even worse now. So we've got some new meats for it and wheels. Talk about that in a minute. The car, my dad loved red interior, so it's got red interior. And it only has, let's see, 10,142 miles. I took the car to Ponies in the Smokies 2019 with like 9,000 miles on it and something. Never dreamed I would put that many miles on it. We did Tail of the Dragon with it. We had all kinds of stuff. Ended up racking up the miles. So I brought it home and had like 10,070 miles. Never told him. He never wanted to go over 10,000 miles, so he never knew. For a long time, I wanted to keep the car stock, not do anything with it. My goal with the car has always been, I'm going to take it to the 100th Mustang anniversary if I'm still living, and be in the original owners group with the car. So I'm not going to sell it, but you know, I should enjoy the car. If it sits here, it's going to run. It's on a battery tender because I'm tired of putting batteries in it. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to mod the car. I'm going to drive it. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm not going to do anything too crazy with it. So I got a set of Shelby style wheels you'll see in a second for it. I'm going to put the Goodyear Supercar Eagles up in climate control, so if I ever want to use them again, I can. Not that I probably ever will, but new wheels and tires. We're going to start enjoying it. Paige's only driven the car like twice since we've been together for 3 years, so that tells you how much it's ever been drove. Probably going to put a pulley on it, tune. I've got the rest of the exhaust to take the cats off. I'm going to do that. Trying to make it a little nastier ride. So anyway, enough babble about it. Here's your introduction. Now let's get the wheels unloaded, check them out, and then get them put on. Alright, so here they are. These are from Late Model Restoration. They're their SV350 wheel. It's supposed to mimic a GT350R wheel. I wanted to keep the Shelby look. Don't want to go with something too totally different, so these are 19-inch wheels. I've got Nitto 555s on them. They've got 305 3519s on the back, 285 3519s on the front. Should really fill out the fender wells very well. There'll be a big tire in the back. Pretty excited about it. Probably lower the car after I get these on. We'll see how it looks. I want to be able to get my driveway in it, so we'll see what happens. But we're playing car shuffle right now. We already pulled the Challenger out. It's sitting right here, the new Challenger. Last night, took it to dinner, and it's sitting outside. So I got to get this out of the way, and then we're going to put that back in the hole over here and get this out front so we can swap some tires. So let's play car shuffle. that's how the car got on the trailer. But it's fixed now. My boys down at Clayton Express Lube, Alex and the gang came up, picked it up on the trailer, took it down, got us hooked up with a new McLeod clutch. It's all good, new shifter in there. All back together, finally put the wheels and tires on. She's looking good. Looking forward to making some more content with it. Check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure you hit that like button. Be sure you hit that subscribe button. The Shelby is finally back.